In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix File Explorer availability status error in OneDrive on Windows 11 if File Explorer is showing the wrong cloud icons or an availability status error for your OneDrive files. The quickest way to reset those indicators is to adjust a few OneDrive settings and then force a full download of your files. Let's walk through it together so everything syncs cleanly again. Start by opening OneDrive from the system tray at the bottom right of your screen. Look for the cloud icon near the clock. If you don't see it, click the small arrow to show hidden icons. Click the cloud to open the OneDrive menu. In the OneDrive menu, click the gear icon for settings. A small menu appears, choose settings again. This opens the full OneDrive app window with all configuration options. It may feel redundant to click settings twice, but this is how you reach the detailed controls we need. In the OneDrive window, go to the sync and backup section. This area controls what OneDrive syncs, how it backs up folders, and how files are stored locally versus online. We'll make a couple of tweaks here to keep content consistent across devices. Turn on the toggle for saving photos so new pictures are automatically captured by OneDrive. Then turn on the toggle for saving screenshots. Enabling these options helps OneDrive manage common media sources reliably, which reduces inconsistencies that can lead to confusing availability states. Next, select Advanced Settings. This is where OneDrive handles files on demand, the feature that lets your files appear in File Explorer even if they're not fully downloaded. With files on demand, a cloud icon indicates an online-only file, while a green check means it's locally available. When that status gets out of sync, File Explorer can display errors. Scroll down to the Files on Demand section and choose Download All Files. This action tells OneDrive to fetch local copies of everything it tracks on your PC. It's a reliable way to rebuild the local file cache and correct availability status indicators across your folders. When prompted, click Continue to confirm. A few important notes here. Downloading all files uses disk space and network bandwidth, and the process can take time depending on the size of your library. Keep your device powered and connected. As files download, the status column in File Explorer will update from cloud icons to green checks. Once the download completes, reopen File Explorer and you should see accurate availability statuses with errors cleared. If needed later, you can return to these same OneDrive settings to adjust how content is stored. That's it. Your OneDrive status icons in File Explorer should now be back to normal.